pause. After enjoying this wonderful song of this event, our next festival of this event is Ghato, or the scared pot is the main object during Navratri, in which Goddess Shakti is invoked for the 9-day festival, and Devi Durga means I is worshipped. So put your hands together to welcome the devotees. So the song is Aitsa zogwa magena, Aitsa zogwa magena.
नारी शक्तीचे वैष्णवी महेश्वरी तुझाच अंश राहू दे सदैव माझ्या अंतरी आई अंबे आई अंबे जगदंबे मला भय दे मला विजय दे लढाया बळ दे हो आई अंबे जगदंबे मला भय दे मला विजय दे लढाया बळ दे हो तुझेच रूप घेऊ दे तुझेच रूप घेऊ दे महाकाली शौर्य दे आई अंबे जगदंबे 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 आई गोंधळाली आई अंबे जगदंबे आई गोंधळाली आई अंबे जगदंबे मला भय दे मला विजय दे लढाया बळ दे हो
तू ग दुर्गा तू भवानी संसाराची तूच जननी सारी माया तुझी अंबे कृपा करी अंबे कृपा करी तू ग दुर्गा तू भवानी सारी माया
Didi and Tanvi Didi are going to give you some information about the festivals like Kojagiri Purnima, Diwali, Bhai Dooj and Dasara. First, Kojagiri Purnima. Kojagiri Purnima concerns the Kojagar Vrat. By the observation of the people perform this Vrat under the moonlight after fasting for the day. Goddess Lakshmi, the Hindu goddess of wealth, is significantly worshipped on this day. It is believed to be her birthday on this day. Lord Indra, the god of rain, sits on his elephant. Aryavarta is also worshipped on this day, as also is Lord Shiva, and with consort Parvati and carrier Nandi. Deities break their fast by purchasing rice and milk after offering to the moon god. In the Puranas that said that goddess Lakshmi takes around the earth and to see the actions of human beings. Next, Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. On this day, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile and was crowned the king. People welcomed him by decorating their homes with lamps. On Diwali, people get early in the morning and clean their homes. Then they take a bath and put on new clothes. In evening, people worship Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi for prosperity. Then they light their homes with candles and lamps. Children burst crackers and our friends, relatives and neighbors exchange sweets and gifts. Next, Bhai Dooj. Bhai Dooj is a celebration is similarly like to the Raksha Bandhan. The brothers give gifts to their sisters on this day. In the southern part of country, it is celebrated as Yama Dvitiya. In the Kashra community, the two Bhai Dooj are celebrated. The more famous one comes on the second day after Diwali. But a lesser known one is a day or 2 days after Holi. Next, Dasara.
Dasara is a Hindu festival. On this day, Lord Rama killed Ravana, the king of Lanka. Obeying his father's wishes, Lord Rama left Ayodhya with his wife Sita and brother Lakshmana to spend 14 years in exile. While in exile, one day Ravana kidnapped Sita. Rama defeated Ravana and brought back Sita. Dasara is celebrated as a symbol of victory of goodness over evil. On Dashera, the huge effigies of Ravana, his son Meghanatha and his brother Kumbhakarna are put upon open ground. Then they are set on fire at sunset with crackers. There is a big fair, and outside the Ram Leela, people buy fruits, toys and crackers, and everyone enjoys the festival of Dashera. So my co-host will continue this program.
Why not? The next festival of this event is Guru Nanak Jayanti. The festivals in the Sikh religion revolve around the anniversaries of 10 Sikh Gurus. These Gurus were responsible for shaping the life of the Sikh. Their birthdays, known as Guru, are occasion for celebration and prayer among the Sikh and Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism. So let us be a part of this Guru Nanak Jayanti. So give a huge round of applause for them. So the song is ऐसा देश है मेरा लो आ गई लोड़ी वे ऐसा देश है मेरा लो आ गई लोड़ी वे
करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसे भी सच
ਵਸਦੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਹਰ ਰੁੱਤ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਹੋ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ देश है मेरा देश है मेरा देश है मेरा किन्ना सोना देश है मेरा देश है मेरा देश है मेरा
झूठ ना बोली वे कुहर ना चोली वे तूने खाई थी कसमें एक तोड़ी वे एक तोड़ी वे
लो आ गई लोड़ी वे लो आ गई लोड़ी वे
बना लो जोड़ी वे
तेरे कुर्बान जावा तेरी मर्जी जान जावा तो हर बात मान जावा तेरी सोनिए ओए 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 तेरे कुर्बान जावा तेरी मर्जी जान जावा तो हर बात मान जावा तेरी सोनिए ओए 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 तेरे कुर्बान जावा
तेनू मैं जान दिया खूब पहचान दिया मिलना जो मुझको हैगा तुझको सुन ले कुछ गल्ला मेरिया तेनू मैं जान दिया खूब पहचान दिया मिलना जो मुझको हैगा तुझको सुन ले कुछ गल्ला मेरिया तेनू मैं जान दिया खूब पहचान दिया
तेरे कुर्बान जावा तेरे कुर्बान जावा
मेरे बकना कोई टोलना मेरे सजना
कुछ मंगाऊं याद तुमको रह नहीं पाए लाना तो था एक परांदा हलवा ले आए
पास अब ये नोटबुक है इसमें लिख लूंगा यानी अब जो तुम मगाओ वो ही लाऊंगा हाँ, सुधरते सुधरते ही सुधर जाएंगे हाँ 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 तेरे कुर्बान जावा तेरे कुर्बान जावा
सजना टोलना मखना राजना
चाहे बदलो या न बदलो फिर भी मेरे हो मैं तो चाहूं जब जन्म लूं तुम ही मेरे हो
हो हो हो हो फिर ये मैं हर जन्म हूँ तेरा ही जोगी तू मेरी है तू मेरी होगी हाँ तुम्हारे बिना